Welcome back to our channel for the second part of the series of the 7 best languages to learn. 4. Mandarin. It was on the list of the most important languages to learn, with over 1 billion Mandarin Chinese speakers worldwide. While the majority of speakers are in China, the country is developing as a worldwide power, making it increasingly important for enterprises to have Chinese-speaking team members. As a result, the number of global corporations seeking executives who speak Mandarin has increased by 35% over the previous year. Mandarin is also the second most often used language on the internet. With online sales expanding year after year, it is expected to surpass English as the most extensively used internet language soon. Difficulty to learn. Mandarin is not the simplest language to learn for English speakers, but the benefits are well worth the effort. 5. The Portuguese language. Portuguese is widely spoken around the world, and it is the official language of countries in Europe, South America, Asia, and Africa. It is the 6th most widely spoken language in the world. If that isn't enough to convince you that this is one of the most important languages to learn, consider the following. Brazil is quickly becoming one of the world's newest economic powerhouses. Portuguese is not difficult to learn for a natural English speaker. While not identical to English, the grammar and sentence structure are straightforward. The accent is more like American English than Spanish, and it's easy to pick up new sounds like nasal vowels. 6. Russian. The country's size, developing economy, and natural resources as one of the world's top oil producers plainly indicate its corporate attraction. Furthermore, Moscow boasts the most billionaires of any city in the world. Russian is widely spoken in Central/Eastern Europe and Russia. It is the world's 7th most common language. It is the 2nd most often used language in internet content, behind English, and accounts for the majority of internet material in Europe. Russia is ranked low on the English Proficiency Index, thus translating your material into Russian may be a necessary step in attaining worldwide business objectives. Difficulty in learning. Russian is one of the most difficult languages to learn. Grammar rules are complex, with several exceptions. 7. French. It is an important language to learn because it is the 2nd most frequently spoken language in Europe and emerging countries. Difficulty. French is not difficult to learn for English speakers. English and French share a same alphabet as well as a substantial percentage of their lexicon. English shares more lexical similarities with French than any other Romance language. In conclusion, no matter which language you choose to learn in the coming year, you can be confident that your time will be well spent on our top 7 languages to learn. Understanding many languages enables businesses to effectively expand into other markets, maximizing your company's growth potential. However, you must also guarantee that the information is suitably localized. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.